Yes. Hello, Akshaya. Am I
Good
audible?
evening. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Akshaya, as you know that now we are going to start the Proctor-Procti meeting as per the instruction by the higher authority. So, first I will just read out the email that I have got. So, as per
Okay.
the email, uh, it is they are saying that it is important that you conduct the first online Proctor-Procti meeting with the following agenda. So number one, check if Procti is attending all classes and check if the Procti is facing any difficulty in the same. So first I would like to ask you that are you attending all the online classes?
Yes, sir. I'm attending, sir.
Okay. And are you facing any kind of difficulty?
We have some internet issues, sir. That's it. Otherwise, I'm not facing any problems.
Okay, so have you been able to solve those problems by downloading those videos or something like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are getting now the online videos, you can download it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is it you are uploading from only from the Microsoft Office platform, or it is also available on YouTube or some other platforms?
No, sir. Only Teams.
Okay, okay, okay. So this is what was the first issue, and the second agenda is reassurance them that they will shortly get used to online mode of classes. So they are assuring that they will you will shortly get used to the online mode of classes. And then the third agenda is any other issues are faced by students, kindly note it and sort it out in due course. So any other problems apart from suppose if you are not able to understand any concept, so any such kind of things you are facing?
No, sir.
Okay,
I'm able to understand, sir.
okay. So still the specialization is not started, but what specialization you are actually trying to have? Marketing, finance, or HR, or operations? What?
HR, sir.
HRs. Okay. So are you able to understand those subjects, HR properly?
Yes,
HR
sir.
marketing. Okay. And what kind of scores you are getting? You have already, I think, the CAT scores or the midterm scores you have got. Okay. So
Yes,
what
sir.
about your score? Is it good?
We have got organizational behavior mark and corporate legal frame, sir.
Okay. So are you satisfied with your marks?
In corporate legal frame, I'm satisfied, sir. But in OB, I'm not satisfied with that mark.
Okay. Okay. So what are you planning to do to increase your marks?
Learn more, sir. With
Learning.
yes, I didn't prepare the in based of case study for OB, sir.
Okay.
And this time I will try to improve by reading more case studies and with examples, sir.
Okay, so now you are able to understand that in MBA there is a huge portion in the questions is normally based on case study, and you need to answer the questions based on case study, and so you need to
Yes,
be prepared to answer the case studies. Okay, so now you have sorted it out. So it's good that you are able to find out that what are your problems and you are trying to resolve it. Okay. So now the fourth agenda is once things resume to normalcy, get a statistics of how many students will be using college bus, day scholars and day boarders. So will you avail the facility of bus?
no, sir. I need a hostel facility, sir.
Okay. So what is your native place?
Trichy, sir.
It is in Trichy. right? So from Trichy, you will come down to Chennai and you will reside in the hostel, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so now we have covered almost all the four agenda we have covered, and we have found out that apparently you are facing no problem. And the most important thing is that even if you face problem, then you are able to sort it out, that what are the causes of the problems, and you are able to also discuss with the concerned faculties to resolve your problem, and you are happy with that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so thank you, Aksha. Thank you very much for your comments and supports. Okay, as per
Thank you,
our
sir.
discussion, we will upload this video file, and I will also give the responses online. Okay, thank you, Aksha. Thank you very much for attending.
Thank you, sir.